Hello friends, this is Tamal Singha. I am a graphology researcher and founder of Graphology Training Institute. Today I shall talk about letter T bar and goal setting of our life. Actually there is a perfect connection and interconnection between letter T bar and goal setting in our life. Here you can see here is a letter T. So you can find it here. Through handwriting analysis we have lot of options for goals and target settings. Among those process, today I shall let you know one of them which will be very important. Actually goal setting is very important subject in our life. Nobody can be successful without setting a goal, perfect decorated goal in our life. Whoever the person is, doctor, engineer, businessman, service person, everyone needs a goal in his life. Without goal a person is nothing, because he will be just like a sailor of a ship in a deep ocean without compass. Today I will talk about letter T bar. You see it, this is the T bar. The placement of T bar. Today I will basically I am emphasizing on the placement of T bar. You can see it here. As you see here, I have divided letter T bar in two division. First I am dividing letter T stem in two division. First, this is the first division. This is the half portion of T stem, and this is the second portion. So this is number 1 and number 2. So you can find it here. One is upper division and other is lower division. Those person whose letter T bar is placed upper division, they are having high goals and target in life, and those person whose letter T bar is placed at lower division, they are having low and short term goals and target in life. Placing upper division of letter T bar will always help you a long term success through a series of struggle, but don't put your letter T bar in this place. Don't put your letter T bar in this place, because this T bar is not touching the stem. So because your goal will be unrealistic, and you will not be able to touch your goals if you put your T bar here, and this is not, because this is not touching the stem. So remember it very carefully. In case of low goal setting, you will get short term success more. If you suppose you are placing your T bar here in this place, so in case of low goal setting, though your goal will be your goal will be short term, and you will get short term success more. And in case of high goal setting, you will have to do long term struggle. You will have to do long term struggle in your life. So choose that one which should be suitable for you. Letter T bar. Actually letter T bar is very important letter in graphology or handwriting analysis. As a graphologist, we can identify more than 1000 character by looking only the letter T. Okay, so in case of goal setting, I think we should think about one very important aspect first. That is, I would not recommend everyone to place their letter T bar at upper division, because can you really think carrying high goals in life are always very easy if someone who does not have the ability to achieve? I believe it is not. So based on above discussion, I request you to every person to set a well decorated goals and target in life as soon as possible. If you are interested for personalized handwriting analysis, just send me a copy of your handwriting in my WhatsApp number given below on the dashboard. Please contact me for your any query or any questions. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment on this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell button on to get alert for our next videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye and see you soon.